going to go over the musculature of the brachium and the antebrachium. First off, we have the deltoideus muscle. Underneath that, we have the supraspinatus, the infraspinatus, the teres minor, subscapularis, and all of these are part of the rotator cuff. The teres major, on the other hand, is not part of the rotator cuff. On the cat, you can see the teres major, but not the teres minor, so keep that in mind. Then we have the biceps brachii. We have biceps brachii long head and biceps brachii short head. Deep to the biceps brachii, we have the brachialis muscle. And lateral to the biceps brachii, we have the coracobrachialis. On the posterior side, we have the triceps brachii lateral head, triceps brachii long head, and right here, if you're in the lab, you'll be able to see as number 7, that is triceps brachii medial head. In the cat, you'll remember you had to reflect the lateral and long heads back to see the medial. That is the case in humans as well, but you can see a little bit of the medial head before it dives under into the middle. Then we're on the flexor side now of the antebrachium. First off, we have the pronator teres. We have the flexor carpi radialis, the palmaris longus, and the flexor carpi ulnaris. Deep to the palmaris longus and the flexor carpi radialis is the flexor digitorum superficialis. This is a bit of a misnomer because superficial would imply that it is on the topmost layer. However, superficialis here is referring to being superficial to the flexor digitorum profundus, where profund means deep. And this is the flexor retinaculum. Going on to the other side of the arm, we can see the extensor carpi ulnaris longus and the extensor carpi ulnaris brevis. We also have the extensor digiti minimi, the small muscle that goes out to the digit 5 or the pinky. And we have the extensor digitorum. And that's it, just extensor digitorum. And then we also have the extensor carpi ulnaris on the side there. And you are responsible for pronator teres and the brachioradialis. If we take some of these muscles off, you'll be able to see the supinator right there. The supinator supinates, pronator teres pronates.